think as cool as it looks, and I think as trendy as this is, I think it's time that we probably do something about this right here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Been probably driving around like this for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and that's finally going to end today. So got the OEM third brake light paint match, just like I got the tail lights done here. But also, we're not just going to throw the new third brake light in. We're also going to throw a couple of the badges on that I got paint matched as well. Got ourselves a paint matched and black Ram tailgate badge, which I think is going to tie in the whole rear end of this truck. And we got these. We got the 2500 heavy duty hood badges paint matched also, and I think it's going to look great. Now, the only thing we did not get paint matched badge wise, which we don't have to worry about the front end anymore since we blacked that out, is going to be the Cummins badge. So the Cummins badge, I cannot find anyone yet to paint this because it doesn't come apart for paint, I guess. So at least for the time being. Now, unfortunately, it's still snowing and it's April 1st. I do feel like this is a joke at this point. We'll throw the third brake light back on, the tailgate badge, the 2 heavy duty badges on the hood, and I do think if I do not remove the Cummins badges on the fender, I think it's going to look kind of funny. So we'll decide that here momentarily, and then if it looks kind of weird, we'll probably just take it off and run a smooth fender, and then maybe at some time I could find someone who will paint the Cummins badge, because I actually do like this badge a lot. Not just to say like, hey, yo, bro, I drive a Cummins, but also like, hey, bro, I drive a Cummins. But either way, let's go inside. It's kind of cool. I'll show you guys the badges, and then we'll install everything. Here is the third brake light. So this is the OEM third brake light from the truck. You can see the cargo camera there. I just had this, like I said, paint matched completely to match like the taillights. So I got the taillights done, all Delmonica red, and then they smoked the lens. And tailgate badge looks freaking awesome. That's gonna look good in my opinion, of course. And the heavy duty badges on the side, hood badges. So I think it'd be awesome to get the Cummins badge done this way, except for, don't know anyone that would do it. So if you guys know someone who will paint the Cummins badge, drop a comment below, let me know. So first things first, I need to get this on because I've been driving around with like a bag on the truck for the past 2 weeks and it looks terrible. And unfortunately, I'm fortunate so far it hasn't leaked, but this needs to go back in the truck right now.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Yeah, buddy, that looks good. That looks damn good. Matches the taillights. Yeah, now I guess I probably should have checked. Okay, light still works. That's kind of important. Light needs to work, so. Honestly, like, truck is filthy. You see how dirty this thing is. I probably am going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to clean that up a little bit, like the rest of the tape residue and whatnot. Then we're going to see if we get the tailgate badge off and replaced. But damn, that's awesome. Retro shop, you the man. Alright, so pulled the truck inside because it's still like 20 degrees out in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Kind of cleaned off the tailgate. You could really see how badly, like how dirty the truck is. Either way, kind of set up a little table. The new badge here has some like 3M sticky strips, and then of course you see there's like 1 little pin, 2 pin, and then like these 4, sorry, I can't count. These 4 like little pop clips. And so I am gonna heat the badge up because I assume that one probably also has some sticky under, like behind it. So I'm gonna heat the badge up, but first I probably am going to try to access this from the inside, like from the inside here. And I'm pretty sure all I gotta do is take off like this piece, and these I believe are just like T25s. I'm gonna pull this off so I can at least see the clips on this side, because I can't really get my finger or any kind of pry tool back there. I don't want to damage the paint. So if I can get back behind there and try to at least pop these 4 clips out, and then I'll heat it up with a gun, try to get all the sticky off, rip that off, clean it up, throw the new badge on. But look how good that's gonna look. Yes, ma'am. Check this out. Look at this. Same thing, just like my taillights. Ram does not paint the whole truck. That is so obnoxious. All right, badge you can see down there. You can see kind of like the two clips, the four, whatever. So that's down that way. So I'm going to try to heat the badge up from the front, try to push it out from back here, and I mean, if we could get this bad boy off easily, that'd be awesome. My lord, does Ram use a lot of sticky. And I was gonna say, I mean, I'm still gonna save this. I'll put this right next to all my, well, not all my, I'll put this right next to my Chevy one. Looks good. Can't keep that. Honestly, if you're gonna do this yourself, I probably would not recommend, not like it's a big deal, but taking this off did absolutely nothing for me. Could not really pry those clips out like I wanted to. It was literally just heating this up and ripping it out. So either way, the new one is gonna go in a hell of a lot easier. I'll pull these little red tabs off. These clips will automatically, bam, right in. Let's put this in, see how it looks. And I need to go somewhere and wash the damn truck. Yeah, buddy, that looks so good. I need to get the truck outside real quick, but look at that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Wow, was it hard to take off all these sticky strips? That was the hardest thing I've ever done, like, in my life. That looks damn good color matched. Everything's color matched except for, like, the tailgate's like white because, you know, road salt, and I haven't driven or, well, I haven't washed this thing, but this looks damn good. What do you guys think? All right, so the back end of this truck is starting to look so sick. Honestly, at this point, everything's, God, it looks good. Other than being dirty. Third brake light, color matched. Actual brake lights, color matched. Ram badge, color matched. I mean, the only thing that sticks out on the rear of this truck right now is the license plates, but I can't color match a license plate. So this to me looks freaking awesome. I did screw up one thing. Now, remember when I was saying that I didn't want to damage my tailgates? I did not, you could kind of see it. Look at that. I did put a small crease into my tailgate with my pry tool. I didn't realize how thin this is, so this actually kind of drives me nuts, and I'm not happy about that. But step back a little bit, and it looks damn good. Honestly, I'm running out of time today. It's we got some kind of storm coming up real quick, and I'm just running out of time. So I'm not going to get to the badges. I'm not going to get to these two quite yet. So front of the truck, looking damn good. Everything's awesome and blacked out. Rear of the truck, everything is nice and color matched. Side of the truck is the only thing we still got some chrome on. So we'll mess with the 2500 badges and the Cummins badge next week's video, and week after that we actually are getting rid of the pappy boards. We're getting rid of the pappy boards, so there will be nothing left on this truck that is chrome. other than like OEM wheels, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So, all right, guys. So, unfortunately, that's all I have time for today. We're gonna worry about these side badges and stuff like that next week. And honestly, I want to clean the truck too, so you can actually see how good this looks. I'm not even gonna do any fancy B-roll because it's pointless. Truck's filthy. So, honestly, I might see if I could try to pull the tailgate back down, see if I can try to get that little dent out, because you can't see it constantly, but you do see it sometimes, and that kind of drives me nuts. I'm mad. I literally was saying that I'm trying not to dent my tailgate, and I dented a piece of the tailgate. So overall, the back end of the truck's cleaning up and looking really good, in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I definitely appreciate any of the all the support you guys show me. Come back next week. We're going to throw on these side badges on the hood, the HD emblems, and we'll take off the Cummins badge, see how that looks. We'll clean the truck up. We'll go get some B-roll, get some photos, because it's starting to look pretty right, in my opinion. So like the video if you guys haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the Cummins build. See you next week.